Chief Whip Kaliang Persha Oba George Lingdo Hakasi Palay Jakateo, Ulong Baki Paitba, Kiting, Jing Wanrah, Casino, and Nikatem Khalai Hariboy District, Namarkani and Ialam Sha Kiwe Park Kam Auria, Jingkhaii Drok, but Jingkhaii Kynthei. Yakani Ulong, La Banyo E Hakiwe Kiwe de Kinongba, Hakeleng Kaperthei. Uba Lingdo Ulong Ru, Bakaliang Persha Kasno, Bakamdan Jingkhaii Ruem, Hakaain Kabaladan, Yakablatip Kum Kamikalaya Gaming Regulation Act.
As stated by the Minister Taxation on the floor of the House, we are looking for high-end tourists. Now, with high-end tourists, we also see that other illegalities will come into the fore. You know, we should learn lessons from the Sin City, as we call Las Vegas, and see how the kind of immoral activities that are happening, the kind of drug abuse, the kind of drug trafficking, and what we fear is that women trafficking will go up in the state once such kind of high-end activities, high-end tourists are attracted. That is the major concern. The concern of, teer and other activities are low-level activities which have also been regulated by the state. There are regulations and they are actually out, in the open where everybody feels it's a game, and at the same time, it doesn't affect the morality of people when it comes to trafficking of drug and women. What people are scared of is that the trafficking of drugs and women will increase with high-end tourists, which they are tagged with casinos and gambling activities that are being seen in other cities and other parts of the world where such activities have happened. So it is with that kind of a fear that is why we are seeing such opposition.